Okay, I got a little clamp on there. It's not tightened up yet, so I'm going to tighten this cord up, take the slack out of it, and then I'm going to tighten up the nuts. Here, babe. Screwdriver's in my pocket. Alright. Now, let's see if I can... see if this is even possible. Maybe that'll help. As tight as I can. Wrong one. The small one seems to fit good. I'm clamping these together. I think the big ones are probably used for the stoppers. I can let go of that now. Okay. Where's Cujo at?
He's in the flower bed.
Go ahead and put him on it.
Just call him Cujo.
Alright, sit right down a minute.
Oops.
Come here. Let's see. Alright. Where's those?
Oh. Aww. What happened? You alright, buddy? Cujo, you okay?
Okay. Now, you don't want them to get tangled around the tree. So you want this thing to stop.
Oh. Cool.
Probably about right here.
Yeah.
So I'm going to throw this on here. If it's not close enough or it's not close enough or far enough, I can adjust it pretty easily. I think these are used for the bigger ones are used for the stoppers, I think, just because they're bigger and probably work better. Let's see, come on now.
You gonna put one on the other end, or?
Yeah. Yeah, put one on both ends. I'm a screwdriver girl.
I don't know.
In my back pocket.
Yep.
Okay, this nut is not even tightening up. the wrong size nut in the package, maybe. Screwdriver.
Oh.
Well, I've got one on there. We'll see if that's enough to. The other one won't tighten up. But yeah,
Yeah, it
seems like
seems
it's
good.
enough. Let's see if it's close or far away enough. Come here, Cujo. Cujo, come on.
It's
Come on, lazy dog. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's about
That's good.
good enough
Yeah.
where you can realize.
Yep.
which
All right,
way to
you gonna walk them over?
Yep, come on, Cujo.
Let's go, buddy. Come on. Cujo.
Come on, Cujo.
Aw. It's perfect.
About there.
I don't think he'll get tangled around that tree, honey. You know?
Yeah, but you got a flower bed there. You can have some flowers in there, right?
No. Probably not. I don't know.
Probably won't mess with them anyway, really. Let's just put it here. We'll go from there.
Oh, he got himself tangled around you.
You see, if I was a tree, I'd be stuck here all day. And that wouldn't be good. I mean, you could be stuck in the sun
Yeah?
out
Yeah,
here.
that's true.
So you don't want them getting tangled around a tree.
Don't forget that's wrapped around your legs.
Yeah. That would be a good YouTube video, wouldn't it? Okay. Alright.
You're a free doggy now. He's not sure what the heck's going on. Oh.
See, he just ate one of your plants.
Come on, Cujo, let's go. Go.
Come on. Hopefully, when he takes a crap, he doesn't crap all over the line there.
What are you chewing on?
Alright.
That's good.
Thank you.